Hi folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacksonville Beach. Today I'm on the all-new Sea Ray 2025 260 SLX Outboard. And we're going to start back here in the rear transom first off to kind of showcase what we have going on here, and then we'll work our way through the rest of the boat. First off, this boat is powered with a great Mercury 300 horsepower V8 motor, which gives you plenty of power to get up on a plane and do all your water activities, whatever you want to do on the boat. Plenty of power with this boat. As you look, one of the main features on the boat that I really like is this great walking space on the transom that gives you plenty of access to both sides of the boat depending on where you dock up, so you're not being restricted or having to step over anything to make it difficult for you. When you look back here at the sun pad, there's also a lot of features that are great to showcase, like right here. Now this particular is where you access your battery compartment, but also it is a huge storage box that you can put ZUP boards or skis or any other sporting activities down here as well. Over on the side of the sun pad, you'll notice that this particular thing has a nice built-in cooler with a drain that taps down. And of course the nice sun pad with, you have nice remote phone chargers on the back side, and which is also part of the storage box that this boat has. Now this particular boat does not have the storage caddy, but you can actually see how nicely organized all of the equipment is on this boat. As an option, you can have a storage caddy so you can put stuff down in this storage box and it not be down in the equipment area. One particular feature about the SLX series of boats is how they wrap the main salon area to give you extra seating. So in this particular area here, if you're sitting at this particular seat, then you have nice knee space so that others can sit next to you versus an angled seating arrangement, which kind of cuts off that seat arrangement for you. Obviously the boat comes well equipped with really great sea deck from the transom all the way up into the bow. It's really comfortable to walk around in. Once we move up into the helm area, you're going to notice that this helm is beautifully equipped with two Simrad screens, very well organized, nicely ergonomic. Everything is right where it should be in terms of placement. You have your radio controls here, your additional switching controls over here on the starboard side, and this is fully integrated into the boat. So everything that you see on the switching panels here can also be controlled up here on the Simrad screens as well. Now, as we move over here into the head compartment, you're going to notice that the head area is also nice size, and it continues with the sea deck down below to continue to that theme of the boat. One actual part of this boat that I really love, and this is the arrangement of the seats here, and that is the ability for all of these seats to be able to turn around so you're not sacrificing seating with other people on the board the boat. So if you're visiting or you're socializing with family or friends, you don't have to have your seats facing this way. Both seats can turn around, so this becomes a much larger salon area, so everybody can join in here on the boat. As we move up towards the bow area, you'll notice that the bow has a great open feel to it, nice seating. And throughout the boat, you notice a lot of this diamond stitched interior. It's really nice high-end diamond stitched interior. That's very standard on the SLX series. Up here up in the bow, you'll notice great seating, plenty of room for me. I'm a little bit under 6 feet, so you notice how much leg room I have, nice armrest. You have cup holders, and of course up in the bow, you have a nice windlass that can either be controlled up here at the bow or back here at the helm. The last feature, which is one of the most important features on the boat, is the top. Now this top is a clamshell top. It's powered by a switch over here on the side or up at the helm, and it will lower down almost to the top area of the windshield, so that if you're out in difficult weather or you're trying to get back to port and it's raining, you can lower this down and continue to power and be a little bit more covered, get yourself out of the elements on the water. It's a really nice feature I have on the boat. It also incorporates a manual shade that you can pull out, and it will give you sunshade over here on the back sun pad in the back. Wonderful boat. If you have any questions about it or would like to come out and go over it with me as well, come on out to MarineMax here in Jacksonville Beach. Would love to see you here. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you soon.